I'm going to demo about the database testing from Ruby subject CS for true software testing. So in the demo, I will illustrate how the DBUnit work. So DBUnit is a library is to support Java to test the database. In here, I'm going to use the IDE Intel Z, create an empty project on DBUnit, and use Java, Maven, and JDK 19. So it will create an empty project for me. Look at the BOM XML. This file is to store the project attributes like model, properties, and we need to add the dependency here. In order to get the dependency, we have the Maven repository. In here, we need DBUnit first, DBUnit, and to pro unit test, we have the unit. Here we going to test the PostgreSQL to the elastic one from 2022, and we're gonna have the handcrest. Handcrest is my personal taste to write code easier. Let's import the elastic one. Elastic one here from JUnit. Yes, JUnit. And we're gonna have the Postgre. Yes, Postgre. Okay, handcrest, of course. So when we import this, it should have the icon here to reload the dependency, but it's okay. I can use the way to force its reload. Is it okay? I don't know. What is the problem? Okay, let the sum is finished to reload the dependency. Here I'm going to add the package DBUnit, and then Java class DBUnit. Okay, extend. Let's say DB test guy. Oh no, it's not reload anything. Okay, I will try to find out why. Okay. The best is to reload. Indexing. Okay, reload. On Maven. Okay, I think this is a set. Yeah, okay, import. Let's go. So we can. The first thing you guys need to do when start doing any new technology is to read in the doc. Okay. In the doc, it say we need this. Okay, import class. Okay, so it's no longer GDBC. It's PostgreSQL.driver. Yeah, and here I already have my own database, my own URL database. Oh, it's not. Sorry. How it's work? Okay. My name is something to test. After that, I'm going to try manager, something like that, to get connection. Yeah, to test only. con dot create. It's not to create, it's to create statement. Yep. And we need to initialize those attributes. Private connection con is new. Private statement HTML is new. Okay, I think it's okay. Something. Okay, import something. Finally import something. Okay. So we show you the database. We have this called checker test. Okay, lovely. We have user. Okay. In this demo, I will test the table user only. It's the empty table with this structure: ID, first name, last name. It's no label, data type, blah blah blah, column default. Okay, I think this the creating database file is very simple. You guys can research on your own on Google. Okay, after get a database with the corresponding connection, we have to stop or mop the file. Okay, we have the something like user.xml, and here I also have the sample test. It's my name and some of my friend name. Okay, so rename this is to user.xml. You have to make sure that this user is equivalent with the table name users. Okay, so let's back to the doc. Step 3 optional, but I also bring it here. Optional. Okay, I will delete. So here is the test file. I print the sample test row and explain what is going on. Import class. Okay, not is mature. I think it's mature or call mature. I remember it's called mature. Okay, so I will explain a little bit about this. Okay, so whenever we add a test function, the order is be like first is will initialize the instance DBUnit instance with this method, and and here I have already initialized the connection to the database. After that is we'll run this to set up operation is to refresh the database, and then is run this to stop mop initialize the initial data, and then run this test. So finally, after running the test to decide is true or false, and it will run to a takedown operation to delete on. So in this first, I will need to check if this system is connected to the database. So I will have this result SQL query, something like select first name from user, and I will expect to print it out on system out something get string first name, right? First name, yeah. So expect it to print this. Okay, yeah, it finished. Khoi, Nguyen-Khoi. Yeah, so yeah, we can confirm it's already connected to the database. So after run on, it will empty, right? Yeah, but if we comment this and run again. Yeah, it doesn't delete after running all the tasks. Okay, so that's the reason I need these two methods. Okay, so okay. So here's our test. I have prepared 3 tests and explain to you. Okay, 3 tests, number of user, and so is the count get the number of user in the table users is made to equal 3, and then I have the select on from user where id is equal to is Huy, you 321 and 222. Yeah, Huy, you 231 and 222. Finally, we have the test delete user. So try to delete from table user where id 2, and I try to select all user order by id because I want to test it corresponding. So first, after delete it, we expect the first row returning. The first returning row is id is 1, and then it's 3, and next it fail. I mean it's because this we expect this SQL only return 2 row is 1 and 3, and only 2. Yeah, so os.net is expect to fail. So run it. Okay, 3 test bars. So I also have this repository in the GitHub in the description. You guys can check it. So it's the end of the demonstration. Hope you guys enjoy and understand how the DBUnit work and what it can do. Thank you.